So congruent change, now there are two types of changes, congruent change and incongruent change. तो पहले मैं congruent change को डिस्कस करती हूँ, बिकॉज incongruent उससे opposite है. That direction of an attitude does not change in it. डायरेक्शन ऑफ एन एटीट्यूड इसमें चेंज नहीं होती. अब ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ एटीट्यूड क्या होती है? with its direction remaining the same, its intensity either decreases or increases even further. Namely, a positive attitude becomes more positive and a negative attitude becomes more negative. When there is no change or no change in the direction of the attitude, then the positive attitudes, if you have some good habits or good attitude towards something, like in your studies, if you have good attitude towards your studies, it will lead to your good grades. But if you are not studying, you have negative attitude towards your study, then it will lead in the decrease of your grades. Social psychologists have conducted long studies on attitude change, of which a few important points are as follows. So incongruent means to adopt an attitude that is opposite to the present one, to adopt a positive in lieu of a negative attitude, and vice versa. So incongruent means to that is opposite to the present one. If you are changing your attitude, that means you are डूइंग एन इनकॉन्ग्रुएंट चेंज. चेंज तो दोनों में है, लेकिन क्या होता है, आपके एटीट्यूड की डायरेक्शन नहीं बदलती. अगर पॉजिटिव रह रहे हो तो पॉजिटिव ही रह रहे हो, लेकिन अगर आप नेगेटिव चेंज से पॉजिटिव की तरफ जाते हो तो वो इनकॉन्ग्रुएंट है. दोबारा बता देती हूँ, पॉजिटिव टू पॉजिटिव कॉन्ग्रुएंट, पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव अगर आप गए हो, या नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव, तो डेट इज incongruent, because in both of the situations you are changing your attitude, but from the negative to positive situation occurs in incongruent one. Evidence of reliable persons. After a long research, Hovland and Weiss demonstrated that if reliable people provide information, their arguments have a deep effect on their individuals. So if reliable people provide information, that if your teacher is providing you information that is a reliable sort of information, then arguments have a deep effect on the individual. It means that if someone who has if you consider him as an authentic source of information, then you can easily rely on that person. Hence, it is necessary that the message intended to effect attitude change should be conveyed through qualified experts and researchers. So, you can through qualified experts and researchers. If there are some researchers who are providing the information, then obviously we will think that such kind of researcher cannot lie, and if he has said that thing, then it can be true. So evidence relies upon the reliability of the person as well. Imposition of opinion. If the individual realizes that his opinion, he will become more careful. That is why we are not impressed by every TV ad. Are you impressed by every TV ad? No, we are not impressed by every TV ad. If during the process of attitude change, the individual is not made to feel that is being forced to adopt an opinion or attitude, better results can be achieved. So individual is not made to feel that he is being forced टू अडोप्ट एन एटीट्यूड. देखो, अगर आपको जैसे कोई चीज़, ये साबुन ख़रीदना ही ख़रीदना है, तो देन यू आर फोर्स्ड एंड यू विल बिकम एग्जॉस्टेड ऑफ दैट थिंग. इफ़ यू आर अनअवेयर दैट समवन इज़ मेकिंग यू फूल और मेकिंग यू टू बाय दैट थिंग, दैट इज़ समथिंग एल्स. जैसे कि अगर आपको कहा जाता है ये बहुत अच्छा है, क्वालिटीज़ बताई जाती हैं चीज़ की, तो आप कहते हो ठीक है मैं ख़रीद लूँगा. बट अगर आपको पता हो कि ये मुझे जानबूझकर चीज़ बेच रहा है, यू आर फोर्स टू बाय दैट थिंग, तो फिर वो आप नहीं करते हो. तो इम्पोजिशन ऑफ ओपिनियन, दैट समवन इज इम्पोजिंग एन ओपिनियन ओवर यू, तो वो भी ठीक नहीं है. Weak personality. Psychologists maintain that the people who do not have a high self-image change their opinion soon. For it, you have to understand this, that if you have good connection with yourself, I always talk about it, that if you have made a good image in your mind, that if you tell a lie, it is not good. If you say the truth, or if you tell the truth, and if you are an honest person, so these kinds of habits make you more connected to yourself, and you can easily think that the other person is leading you towards bad path. On the contrary, the people with a high self image do not change their opinion. So people good self image, you will not self image, then you will obviously change your opinion. So both these things are inversely related to each other, you can say. Attractive style. Kisler and Kisler maintain that people come round to the opinion of their favorite personalities. Hence, popular people are engaged to change opinions and messages conveyed in a charming way. So, what is it? What does it mean? I'll just give you an example here, and you'll come to know that what this paragraph is about. Paragraph of 3 lines almost. If Katrina Kaif is selling you a soap, you will not look at that soap, you will look at that actress who is selling you that soap. So that soap is not basically attractive, that actress is making that soap attractive, and you will buy it because of that charming TV ad and because of that actress. So it is an attractive style when you hire the highly paid officials or actors or actresses for selling your products. Simplicity. Alien and Festinger believe that if the message intended to change attitudes is simple rather than complicated, it is more effective. Effective. The message intended to change attitudes. You can see it, if I deliver a lecture in more difficult way, you will not be able to perceive all the meanings of it. And if I will tell you it in a simpler way, you will get the meaning and obviously act upon it. How can you act upon commands when you cannot comprehend that? In order to act on something, you need to comprehend that thing. When the message is complicated, people show hesitation. If I'll show you some Arabic words or some other language, you will get stuck at those words. So we have become habitual of using simple words and can perceive the simple words easily, and that is why we need to convey our messages in a simpler way so that other people can understand and act upon that instructions. Fear. Lethal, Singer, and Jones have demonstrated that attitudes can be changed by creating fear among hearers. For example, germs will attack if such and such a soap is not used. Heart problems may arise. Okay, if a particular brand of ghee is not bought, you may go bald. Sorry. Germs will attack if such and such soap is not used. So if you have seen a commercial of that safeguard soap, then you can easily get this point. Heart problems. Yes, there are many ads showing that you need to buy this in order to remain away from the heart attack. You may go bald if particular shampoo is not used. That is about Amla, BioAmla, I think. Such advertisements enhance the sale of products by creating an atmosphere of fear. So in the most important example in these examples is the example of ghee, because if some person is facing from the heart attack, you are showing in your ad, and then you will give them to use your a different brand of ghee, then this will create an important effect on in your ad and create also fear among your viewers. Vehement persuasion. Tenenbaum opines that change in a strongly held attitude involves intense persuasion. ठीक है, वो क्या कहता है? Change in a strongly held attitude involves, if you are you can easily get an example of it. If you are talking to an old lady and she is holding a belief that black cats are not good, then you cannot persuade that lady because she is holding that belief for many years and it has been strongly inculcated in her mind that this belief is true, and she will not get persuaded. But if you are talking to a child, then you will can easily persuade him, because that a child is not strongly attached to his beliefs. Social adjustment. If change in an attitude leads to adjustment to a particular group of society, social adjustment. If change in an attitude leads to adjustment to a particular group of society, the individual is convinced soon. If this adjustment is unwanted and meaningless for the individual, then it becomes difficult to change an attitude. If this adjustment is unwanted, this can be easily understood. If you are wanting to if you want to be a part of some particular group, and you have to speak truth, and you have to have good grades in order to be the part of that um, group of good students. So you need to adopt good habits. But if there are if you do not want to be the part of that group, then all these things will become meaningless to you. Importance. The more important an attitude is for the individual, the more difficult it will be to change. Changing something is really different. You need to change your actions, your behaviors, your thinking, all will be changed. So this changing process requires really a serious task. Conviction. Different attitudes of ours are interlinked and correlated. The attitudes adopted by a person are hard to change in proportion to how much conviction and correlation have gone into their formation. So the attitudes adopted by a person are hard to change. सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने ये बताया कि ये attitudes hard होते हैं change करना in proportion to how much conviction and correlation have gone into their formation. देखो, इफ़ यू आर अटैच टू योर बिलीव्स, वही वाली पिछली वाली बात है कि कन्विक्शन ये है कि आप अपने बिलीव्स के साथ या अपनी फॉर्मेशन के जो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर बिलीव्स के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच्ड हो, तो एटीट्यूड्स अडॉप्ट करना जो होगा वो भी आपके लिए हार्ड होगा, मतलब न्यू एटीट्यूड्स को अडॉप्ट करना. फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ नीड्स satisfaction is also involved in the shaping of attitudes. Why you change your attitude? Have you ever asked the question? Because in order to satisfy your needs, why we keep on changing ourselves? Because we want to fit in this society, fit in any situation. If attitude change is linked with the fulfillment of needs, success can be achieved. So in order to achieve success, you need to be linked with the changes that you are making in your attitude. That must be, those changes must be linked with your goal. It is difficult to change the attitude that is associated with the number of needs. डिफ़िकल्ट टू चेंज द एटीट्यूड. वैसे तो हर एटीट्यूड ही डिफ़िकल्ट होता है चेंज करना, लेकिन दैट इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद द नंबर ऑफ नीड्स. जैसे अगर आप क्या कर रहे हो, अगर आपको ज़रूरत है कहीं पर झूठ बोलने की, ठीक है, तो आप झूठ बोलने से एकदम तो नहीं सच बोलना शुरू कर सकते हो, तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो आप करोगे. पब्लिक ओपिनियन. अ ट्रांजिटरी थॉट. ओपिनियन, व्हाट इज़ एन opinion? Thought. Transition means change. Thought, idea or feeling about a specific problem is known as opinion. So what is an opinion? It's basically an idea that is in your mind about what? About a specific problem or specific situation, about a particular person. It can be about anything. This impression is a bit tentative. Why it is tentative? Because you are getting an idea and it's not based upon facts, figures or anything. It's a tentative feeling. It admits of correction and modification. In other words, this thought is fleeting in nature and can be changed with the argument. So when you are in an argument with some other person, you are having thoughts constantly, and if you are even not, then in a day we have so many thoughts, but what we do not follow all those thoughts. Some of the we follow some of the thoughts, not all the thoughts, because thoughts are not based upon facts and can be changed.